So, Nothing, the phone brand, Nothing. It's always the weirdest thing to say that. Anyway, the phone brand Nothing might be releasing a foldable cell phone next year, which they are in a international brand. Let's see you go international, Nothing. Please, please, please. So we got some mock-ups, some renders of what it might look like. And here you go. This looks amazing. This actually looks amazing. Oh, lordy, Samsung. You and your long, narrow display, and every other company is taking turns not having a long, narrow display. Because, as you can see on your screen, this bad boy is gorgeous. It's a beautiful outside display. Same size probably as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Inside display, humongously big. Obviously, you have that white hinge, which kind of looks a little weird. But, again, across the board, gets the job done. And I don't think, I could be wrong, I don't think Nothing is going to charge $1,800 for this. We don't know how much it's going to charge, in all honesty. But the hope is less than $1,800. I would say sweet spot if you're just joining the industry for a foldable phone. Okay, I understand because of how much it costs to make these foldable phones. You're not going to join the industry at a price tag of like $1,100, $1,200. It's just not realistic. I would say, industry-wise, you want to make a splash, join it at $1,600, and that would make a splash. $200 less than the Z Fold series, $200 less than the Pixel series, and you're good. Now, of course, as always, let's talk about the caveat. It's going to be a first-gen product. It's going to be the first time this company comes out with a foldable cell phone. And while, yes, they do have a very good track record of creating very good phones over the years, the fact is, whenever you have a first-gen product and the first time releasing a foldable cell phone, you're bound to have some problems, okay? Even if you dot your I's, cross your T's, sing your ABCs, it's still going to potentially have some problems. So, there's going to be some issues. But again, like I said, the good thing about all this, and I feel like even companies that are just now joining the fold, best pun ever, is that they have a long track record of other companies creating these products. You know, this is not like the designs, the concepts, the products are not out there. And while, yes, there's patents and you can't copy and paste someone else's product, or else you're going to end up in lawsuit court, at the end of the day, you can take a lot of concepts from other devices and put them in your own and be very successful. This is, again, not a new industry. It's a very developed, secure industry where you have all these companies that have kind of made this fundamental groundwork for any company to show up. And if they have enough money, have enough resources to be able to manufacture a foldable phone and get it out there. Motorola is another company I'd love to see. Now, here is a fun fact here, right? You might look at your screen right now and say, what in the Microsoft Surface Duo 2 am I looking at? Well, my friend, you're looking at a Microsoft Surface Duo 2 feature that was never actually utilized and forever will be a nothing burger. The glance display. That's right. The hinge is a glance display. It's the same thing in the Surface Duo 2. The difference with Surface Duo 2 was the hinge was technically part of the inside display, while this would not be. This would not be part of the inside display. This would be a separate entity on the hinge, and it would give you notifications at a glance to be able to do that. Yeah. This is life. This is life. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll leave the link down below to the article if you'd like to check it out for yourself.